Okay, so let's start your full mock. Okay, so you are preparing for which IIT?
Sir, IISC.
ISC. Okay, tell me something about your background.
So my name is Himanshu Ranjan. Sir, I had an electrical engineering from IIT Sitamarhi. Sir, I am an intern in Tata Steel. Earlier project was auto phase changer. And so my interest and hobbies are to play football.
So you are doing intern. So why don't you opt for the job in spite of doing this MTech?
So they didn't allow. So they allow only IIT and NITIE to give the PPU. So I'm from a state government college, so they doesn't allow.
Okay. Okay, so what was your college project?
Sir, auto phase changer.
Auto phase changer. Can you a little bit explain what is this auto phase changer?
Sir, our idea is to, sir, for example, in a house, sir, so for example, in a house, sir, a house is connected with a neutral wire and a single phase. For example, sir, anytime a fault occur and the phase A wire has been breakdown or happens some LG fault, so so then the phase B and C is unused for that house. So in that case, our auto phase changer will shift to the phase B or C, so that the power is not interrupted. Yeah, cut the power will not cut. So that is the main idea.
What was your part?
My part is to design. So we had divided in 3 parts the project. My part is to, sir, convert 220-volt into a 5-volt DC, so to make the circuit, and the relay part is made by the another guy of the team. I had made the.
So which device? Okay, so which device you have used?
Sir, I used a dual transformer, 3 transformer, sir, a full bridge rectifier, capacitor, and some voltage regulator.
So full bridge rectifier. So which type of switch you have used?
Sir, I had used a diode, sir. 4 diode I used, and make
it was a controlled one or uncontrolled one?
Sir, uncontrolled, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Rectifier is meant to be have the controlled one, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, I made by the diode, sir. Diode is an uncontrolled device. I made using the diode.
Okay. So what is the futuristic of this project? What
So
what is your what you want the project, or in which area, research area you want to focus in the ISC?
Sir, sir, as I am applying in the branch, sir, EPD, electronic product design, sir, my aim is to, sir, become an entrepreneur, and I want to design, sir, sir, dishwasher, a product dishwasher, because in India, sir, a dishwasher price is, sir, normally 30 to 40,000, and there's a middle class family cannot afford it. And sir, the dishwasher market is very, I think, sir, it's a very huge market in India. So no company had till date, sir, tap in this field. Sir, if I can made a dishwasher in the range of 8 to 10,000, so that I can reach in every middle house family. So for example, like, sir, washing machine. In, sir, every house we can say there is a washing machine of. So that was my motivation to choose this branch, sir, EPD, electronic product design. So that's why I choose this branch.
Okay, so which electronic subject you have prepared for this interview?
Sir, analog, sir. Analog.
Analog.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me something about how this Darlington pair is working, and what is the use of it?
So in Dalton pair, we use two BJDs, common collector and common collector. In, sir, So by the help of dalton compare, sir, we can reduce the beta. So by reducing the beta, we can get the proper biasing of the, sir. So we can get a proper biasing, and means that we can be in our active region. Sir, so we can be in our active region, sir, and if we give the small signal input, so that we want to amplify, so it can, without going into saturation region, it can better amplify.
What is the use of it?
Sir, it will reduce the beta, sir.
Okay. What are the characteristics of this Darling-Tone amplifier?
Sorry, sir, that I not studies.
Okay. Okay. Have you gone through the amplifier? Positive
Yes,
feedback positive feedback amplifier?
yes, sir. Multi-beast of multi-vibrator, sir, A-stable multi-vibrator. And
What are the advantages of having positive feedback amplifier?
advantages, I don't know.
And how this amplifier is different from the operational amplifier?
Sir, operation, sir, in operation amplifier, sir, we give a feedback to negative terminal, and sir, in this, sir, we give feedback to the positive terminal, sir, and in some, sir, in op-amp, yes, sir. So in op-amp, we do not, sir, compare the two inputs to get the output. And sir, in, sir, answer in the positive feedback, sir, we compare the two inputs, whichever is the highest, then that output will come. So that, sir,
Okay. What is meant to be the slew rate?
so slew rate is the maximum allowable change in the output. So it is a rate of allowable change in the output.
Can you little bit explain about the type of the filter?
So they can be design main type of filters. So for example, they are LC filter, L filter, C filter. So yes.
What are the area on which we are using these filters? On what condition?
So for example, so we want to filter in DC, so that that time we use capacitor. For example, so in my project, I want to filter the, sir, I want to filter the AC fluctuation. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So when we talk about the oscillator and amplifier, how these two things are different?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, why the operation amplifier?
Yes, sir.
When we are using about the integrator, do you have the idea about integrator and differentiator?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why op-amp is more used in integrator, but not so as in the differentiator?
So the exact reason I don't know, sir.
Butterworth?
Yes, sir.
Filter? What is a Butterworth filter?
So Butterworth filter is sir, bistable multivibrator.
Bistable?
Multivibrator.
Bistable multivibrator. What do you mean by peak inverse voltage?
What, sir?
What do you mean by peak inverse voltage?
So peak inverse voltage is the, sir, when so for example, sir, sir, it came in use in, sir, a rectifier, sir, when when there is, sir, negative phase in the AC, sir, in the AC input, So we see the time period of which the diode is off. So that we see that peak inverse voltage. So
Okay, have you idea about the construction of the op-amp, construction of the any of the circuit of analog electronics?
yes, sir.
Okay, please go through the type of the switches, right? Okay, before I leave, I want to give you some feedback regarding your interview, regarding your mock. Look, the things that you have to cover is the clarity about the subject. When you are going for the ISC interview, you will not expect the easy one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
they will ask, they will implement the mathematics part in the analog. Further, you have to clarify that for what subject you have to prepare for the interview. Mostly they are covering mathematics, then power electronics, and then analog. When you are going for this electronics department, so please go deeply with this analog and mathematics. I have not covered the mathematics. Might be in your next mock. When you interview?
So 19th of April.
19th of
April.
April. Okay, so you have time. So prepare this mathematics portion and this analog portion, right?
Okay, sir.
The basic. Please cover the basic of the mathematics,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Rajiv. Yes, Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
you said you want to make the dishwasher.
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any prototype design of that?
No, sir. Sir, currently not, sir. Currently not, sir.
So, any idea how will you go for that?
No, sir, not sir, proper idea, but sir, only sir, basic. Not 100% I had thought how to, sir, how will I make, sir?
Okay. Achha, you have applied for the electronics device. क्या बोलते हैं?
Sir, EPD, sir, electronic product design.
Electronics product design. Okay. So, like, what kind of project you have observed electronic project which are being manufactured in India or from abroad?
Sir, that thing I don't know, sir, I visit IISc website, but sir, there also I cannot find what project in IISc is working.
Okay. Have you heard the news of the shortage of the chip?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that part of that electronic product design, or it is something else?
So it is a subset, sir. For example, in say in the car industry, so the delivery of car is not happening because of shortage of chips. Sir, in every machine we need a microcontroller and a microprogrammer to design our circuit. So we need a semiconductor. It's independent to each other, sir.
Okay. You said ki you have prepared analog and
digital and no digital power electronics.
Power electronics also. Asha, can you make an open circuit half wave rectifier?
Yes, sir.
बनाइए.
Sir, how?
पेपर पे बनाइए, इसके कैमरा के आगे मुझे दिखाइएगा. अंदर. Hello, Bana.
Yes, sir.
It is open circuit.
Sir, I had made a switch, sir. Sir, if we close the switch, it will like that. If we open the switch, so there will be no output.
If it is open, there will be
No output.
very good. I want to क्या बोलते हैं that answer only. ठीक है ना? Why there is no output?
Because the circuit is not complete, sir.
Because diode is a current control device.
Okay, current.
When there is a current inside the diode, then there is only rectification.
Okay, sir.
Okay. आपने स्नूबर सर्किट सुना है? स्नूबर सर्किट
Yes, sir. Snubber circuit.
क्या होता है वो?
So it used to protect the SCR.
Okay, from what it करता?
So when we sir on the SCR or off the SCR, so it used to protect the SCR on the turning on and on the turning off. Sir,
Against
during yes,
इसके अगेंस्ट प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है.
sir, today sir high current and the high voltage. Sir, during turning on, sir they and turning off, sir from the sir high current and sir voltage, so that the SCR cannot destroy.
Okay. एक सिंगल AC supply in series with the diode, and there is a inductor.
Yes, sir.
What would be the output voltage across inductor?
Sir, AC supply with series with a diode.
And in all these series in with inductor also.
Sir, the diode will not off, sir. So the current will be continuous, sir, because sir the inductor doesn't allow sudden change of in the flow of it current in, so that sir in the positive half cycle the inductor will charge, and sir in the negative half cycle the diode will be off, but sir inductor will not allow the diode to be off, because the inductor doesn't allow a sudden change in the flow of current. So diode has to be on, and sir has to be on, sir.
So there will be rectification or not?
Rectification, yes, sir. But yes, sir.
Current will be unidirectional and voltage will be both positive and negative.
Voltage, yes, sir. Voltage can be both positive and
negative. Okay. My next question to you. EDC. You have studied EDC, na?
No, sir. I am from electrical engineering. I'm not studied EDC in my bit. So
you are electrical engineering. Okay. स्टेपर मोटर के बारे में सुना है?
What, sir?
Stepper motor.
Stepper motor, yes, sir. I heard about it.
It will be used in क्या बोलते हैं, योर डिश वॉशर और नॉट?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Sir, I don't know the characteristic, so I cannot say that they will use or not. I don't know the stepper motor characteristic, so I cannot predict it.
Okay, my last question to you. Tell me the at least 5 ratings of thyristors.
What's the 5
Ratings of thyristor.
ratings? Sorry, sir, I don't know.
ये पढ़ा नहीं आपने? रिवर्स
sir.
रिकवरी वोल्टेज, रिवर्स ब्लॉकिंग वोल्टेज,
हाँ सर, ये पढ़ा है सर.
वोल्टेज.
हाँ सर, ये पढ़ा है सर.
तो ये रेटिंग्स नहीं होते?
Sir, I think sir that voltage rating of sir SCR. I think that.
तो वोल्टेज रेटिंग तो ऐसे ही होती है. वोल्टेज फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉकिंग वोल्टेज, रिवर्स ब्लॉकिंग वोल्टेज, फॉरवर्ड रिपीटेटिव वोल्टेज ब्लॉकिंग, बैकवर्ड रिपीटेटिव वोल्टेज ब्लॉकिंग, फिंगर वोल्टेज. फिंगर वोल्टेज क्या होता है?
नहीं सर, ये सब टर्म नहीं पढ़ा सर. फिंगर बोला.
ये पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में ही तो है ना फिंगर वोल्टेज.
ये सब पर फिंगर वोल्टेज टर्म नहीं पढ़ा सर.
चलो, नाउ लेट मी गिव यू फीडबैक. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
देखो हिमांशु,
Yes, sir.
एक तो चीज तो क्लियर है कि आपको नॉलेज है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
इसलिए आप कंफ्यूज नहीं हो. जो आपको नहीं आता है तो आप क्लियरली बोलते हो कि सर आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नॉट रीड इट. तो दैट मीन्स यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चंस.
Yes, sir.
दैट इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग ऑफ एनी इंटरव्यू.
Yes, sir.
बट ये सब चीजें आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
एटलीस्ट एनालॉग पढ़ो और पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को पढ़ो. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो ये सिंपल चीजें भी आपको पढ़नी पड़ेंगी. रेटिंग्स, ये डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रेटिंग्स ऑफ स्पेशली थायरिस्टर. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि कॉन्सेप्ट वहीं से जनरेट होते हैं बहुत सारे. जब डिजाइन करते हो तो डिजाइन में आपको ये सारे पैरामीटर कंसीडर करने पड़ते हैं कि आपको कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी तक की उसको रिपीटेटिव वोल्टेज दे सकते हो, कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी तक के इसमें नॉर्मल वोल्टेज दे सकते हो. ठीक है ना? तो रिपीटेशन ऑफ वोल्टेज, रिपीटेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, ये सारी चीजें मैटर करती हैं किसी भी चीज के. ठीक है ना? और जो आपने ऑब्जेक्टिव बताया तो उसका थोड़ा सा आइडिया, प्रोटोटाइप मॉडल आपने इनिशियली बताया कि यू वांट टू बी एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड यू वांट टू डिजाइन द डिशवॉशर. तो उसका कुछ प्रोटोटाइप आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि कैसे आप क्या प्लान करना चाहते हो. हाउ यू वांट टू हैव अ प्लानिंग इन योर माइंड कि कैसे डिशवॉशर को आप वो करना चाह रहे हो. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा उसका भले ही कुछ ना हो, आइडिया तो होना चाहिए. इट इज, वी आर नॉट आस्किंग यू कि आप उसका एक मॉडल बना के दीजिए. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
कैसे उसको प्लेट उठानी है, कैसे उसको जस्ट डिशवॉशर में जो भी हमने डाला है, ठीक है ना, किस लेवल पे वो सारी प्लेट रहेंगी, कैसे गैप रहेगा, कैसे ब्रश मूव करेगा उनके ऊपर, कैसे साबुन लगेगी. ठीक है? हाँ, ये सारी चीजें का आइडिया होना चाहिए. एक वीडियो देख सकते हो आप डिशवॉशर का यूट्यूब पे. ठीक है? तो
Okay,
उसी
sir.
से आप उसका आइडिया ले लोगे. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
तो जो सर ने भी बोला है और जो आपकी सब्जेक्ट प्रिपरेशन है, एनालॉग एंड ईडीसी, सॉरी एनालॉग एंड पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इनको अच्छे से पढ़ना, और मैथमेटिक्स का बेसिक्स. ठीक है? और ये जो आपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जो बात कही है उससे रिलेटेड आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू बी क्लियर. क्या आपके पास एक छोटा कुछ ना कुछ आइडिया होना चाहिए. ठीक है?
Okay,
तो फिर ऐसा लगेगा कि आप बस जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इंटरव्यू यू आर सेइंग दैट यू वांट टू बी एंटरप्रेन्योर, है ना? एंड
okay, sir.
यू, ठीक है, तो इसलिए एक बार उसको देख लेना. ठीक है?
Sir, सर मैथमेटिक्स में सर क्या क्या टॉपिक सर प्रिपेयर करें सर?
मैथमेटिक्स में सिंपल डिफरेंशिएशन, इंटीग्रल, ठीक है ना, और मैट्रिक्स,
मैट्रिक्स ओके
ठीक है।
ओके सर
चलिए, गुड लक, ऑल द बेस्ट।
ओके सर।